say hi? Yeah. Let me say hi. Don't be like that. Hello, my love. I was thinking of you. Look, what I have here. Let's see. Hang on. See if I can do it with one hand. Oh, hang on. Oh, boy. Hang on. Up. Hang on, my love. Let's see if I can. It is so difficult. Hang on, Baba. Hang on. With this. Oh, there you go. I have to use my fingers. Sorry, guys. I have to use my fingers because it was like a pate. Look who is here, Tintin. My goodness, I was thinking about him yesterday. Oh, darling, I'm so happy to see you. Everybody's gonna be happy to see you, Tintin. My love, where you been? It was so cold these days. Hmm? Where you been, baby? Look. Yeah, I know. I know, sweetie, you're so hungry. Okay, guys, he's here, so I'm so happy. Oh, it's so cool. Look all this. Look all those tracks. Those are my footsteps, but those ones, I don't know from who they are. Those little ones there. So I think Tintini was looking for me. Well, here it is, eating. So I'm happy to see him. Nice.